What a difference a day makes. No longer on storm watch, it is here. Severe weather coverage. Blizzard Brianna will continue throughout the day today into the early morning hours of tomorrow. It's a 24-hour event. It started shortly after 1 o'clock this morning in the Green Bay area and continues. Check out our snow tracker. We have these heavy bands of snow. One pushed through the Green Bay area just moments ago. One again into Fond du Lac, and this will be the trend throughout the day. You'll have some heavy bands of snow at times. And here's the breakdown. 7 o'clock this morning, 10 o'clock, 2 o'clock, all around 32 degrees. And heavy snow throughout the daytime hours. Severe weather index, it's in the high category. We have heavy snow, we have strong winds, particularly this afternoon. Those winds really gust. There's a blizzard warning in effect for much of the area, and there could be some whiteouts, so visibilities are going to be down, particularly as you get into 11 and 12 o'clock today, all the way through the overnight hours. So Blizzard Brianna is here, is the weather story. It's 32 degrees right now in Green Bay, and look at the winds right now. Northeast winds at 18 miles an hour, makes it feel like 20. And you can see the good news is, and I noticed this with the schools canceling and a lot of meetings canceled, people are either taking it very easy on the roads or staying off the roads. So that's the good news. The bigger picture shows from Green Bay through Iowa all the way down into just pulling away from Nebraska and Kansas right now is this big winter storm into Kansas City getting some snow. The center of that system is right here, right in the middle of Missouri. And as we zoom in, you can see that the entire state basically encompassed by this snow. At 8 o'clock this morning, still heavy snow. I anticipate the heavy snow to be with us this morning up until about 1 o'clock today. Now, there are indications here, according to our future track, even at noon, we could have some more heavy bands of snow, even at 2 o'clock. Beyond that, it starts to get a little bit better as we go to 6 o'clock. We still have snow, and it'll be light. And even at 9 o'clock, even at midnight, still snow before everything finally pulls away. And tomorrow morning, partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies at 8 o'clock in the morning. But the winds will still be with us for the morning hours, so we'll still have blowing winds and blowing and drifting of snow tomorrow morning. Most of the area, most of the state really, 10 to 14 inches of snow. There's a band here, which includes Fond du Lac County and just to the southeast of Oshkosh, could get 14 inches plus of snow. And there is that blizzard warning in effect. So you add the very strong winds, sustained winds of 35 miles an hour with the snow, and you get the blizzard warning, most of the area. And to the north, there is a winter storm warning. About 3 inches already on the ground by daybreak, or I should say about 2 inches here in the Green Bay area, 2 to 4 inches in the valley. So about 3 inches by daybreak. It's a heavy, wet packing snow. The travel definitely will get worse as the day goes on. That's interesting. Remember that event? I was wondering what that video was there, but that was when the roof fell in Minnesota a couple of years ago. 32 degrees in Green Bay, 30 in Appleton, 32 in Oshkosh right now. The winds, now these may be a little bit exaggerated, but here's the picture at 11 o'clock. 35, 40 mile an hour wind gusts. Look at 4, 5 o'clock, 45, 50 mile an hour wind gusts possible. So that's why that blizzard warning is in effect. These are the current wind gusts. We have 20 mile an hour wind gust in Manitowoc, 25 in Sheboygan. The wind chills, 20 in Green Bay, 20 in Appleton, and 21 in Oshkosh, and 32 degrees with northeast winds at 18 miles an hour right now in Green Bay. Heavy snow and windy, 10 to 14 inches of accumulation, most areas, 33 degrees. Wind gusts to the 50 miles an hour. There is that blizzard warning in effect all day up until midnight tonight. Snow continues and windy tonight, 26 degrees. Partly sunny, still windy tomorrow, 29 degrees. Then we go to the weekend. The weekend looks good, 25 degrees on Saturday, 29 on Sunday. There's a chance of some snow on Christmas Eve, and Santa is coming to town. Fox 11 Storm Watch. We are watching this storm develop. It's Winter Storm Brianna. It will impact us tomorrow and start the snow after midnight tonight. So today, it'll be nice. As a matter of fact, even though the severe weather index is moderate, and you can see that because the yellow's in the front of my desk, that's going to be moderate because of what happens after the first 18 hours of this forecast. Today looks really not bad. Very, very much to come before the storm. Even the winds won't be bad. 10 o'clock this morning, 30 degrees, 34 degrees at 3 o'clock. Now, we'll see some sunshine this morning, then clouding over. You can see cloudy skies at 7 o'clock and 31 degrees. But the severe weather index over the next 24 hours, as I said, is moderate because the snow starts tonight after midnight and could be 1 or 2 inches on the ground by tomorrow morning. It's Winter Storm Brianna, and it will start tonight into tomorrow morning, basically the overnight hours. Where is it right now? The center of that storm is just getting its act together in Colorado right here, and that will push up through basically St. Louis, Missouri, in through Chicago, and then into lower Michigan. With that track, This area will get a lot of snow. The reds on this map, blizzard watch. The blues on this map, winter storm warning, and that includes the Green Bay area and the Fox Cities area. Now, you go down to Fond du Lac, Sheboygan County, or excuse me, Fond du Lac, Green Lake County, and areas to the southwest, all the way down through Des Moines. There's a blizzard watch warning in effect because of very, very strong winds. So snowfall, this is one of the computer models we use. You get up here, and notice we're in the bullseye here from Green Bay and areas to the south with a possibility of 11 inches of snow. And I want to show you something. Now, again, this is a computer model that we use, so you have to temper this a little bit, but you can see 16, 15 inches of snow in that pocket that we've been talking about, mainly from Oshkosh and areas to the east. There is that possibility. Most of us will see 9 to 12 inches of snow from this event. Future track gives us mostly cloudy skies today. Now, this is a picture after midnight, and then I'm going to stop this a few times. You can see it's not until about 3 or 4 o'clock when the snow starts to fall in Green Bay and the Fox Cities. Heavy at times. Here's 7 o'clock. Here's 10 o'clock. Notice heavy snow could have 1 to 2 inches in an hour at times. Could even hear some thunder. When you hear that thunder snow, it means it's going to snow real fast, real heavy for a time. We go to 2 o'clock in the afternoon, still snowing with the wind blowing out of the north and northwest, 15 to 30 miles an hour, gusts 40 to 50 miles an hour possible. Finally, everything really gets out of here by Friday, but we're left with a blustery forecast. 1 to 2 inches of snow down on the ground by Thursday morning. It's going to be heavy, wet snow. It's going to be hard to shovel, and travel will be difficult all day tomorrow, particularly as the day goes on. The travel will deteriorate. 23 in Green Bay, 19 in Appleton, 23 in Oshkosh. Our high near 34 today, mostly cloudy, and really the snow will develop, but it won't be until after midnight, overnight tonight, and it starts to accumulate. 29 degrees. 34 tomorrow, snow, blowing snow with very strong winds, and Winter Storm Brianna continues tomorrow into almost Friday morning, early Friday morning. We could have some snow showers even around midnight as we go into Friday. Friday's high will be 29 degrees, but the winds will be gusting up to 35 miles an hour. We're on storm watch this morning. The reason is we have a major winter storm moving in tomorrow night into Thursday. Thursday definitely will impact the area. As far as today is concerned, there's a chance, just a small chance of some flurries or light snow this afternoon. Could make for some slippery roads. Most of us will just deal with mostly cloudy skies. 29 degrees at 10 o'clock this morning, 33 at 3, and 29 degrees at 7 o'clock with some light snow possible. With that said, severe weather index is in the low category for the next 24 hours. We're going to really up that as we get into tomorrow, though. So some snow possible today, but much more is possible, and accumulating snow on Thursday. That's why there's a winter storm watch in effect as early as Wednesday night. As a matter of fact, most of the area under this from 9 o'clock tomorrow night until 9 o'clock on Thursday, a 24-hour period when the snow will fall. Probably in Green Bay and the Fox Cities, it'll fall after midnight. The track of this system now, the storm is still just getting onto the coast, so still the track is lining up towards Chicago and then over lower Michigan, really intensifying as it does move into lower Michigan, and that means the winds will really kick in as well. You can see one band of flurries move through earlier, another band moving to the south. Now this could actually just stay to the southern portion of the state. That's picked up on our future track, but I anticipate there's a possibility from Green Bay to the south. Maybe some light snow or some flurries this afternoon. Again, that's not the real big snowfall that we're talking about. What we're talking about is what's going to happen as the day goes on tomorrow. Here's a picture at 3 o'clock and just cloudy skies. Daytime hours okay. Then at 7 o'clock we start to feel the snow getting on the ground in Wisconsin Dells, Fond du Lac, Sheboygan County, Green Lake County. In Sheboygan, could be mixed with or actually start as some rain before it changes over to snow. Notice at midnight in Green Bay and the Fox Cities, we're getting some snow, heavy at times, 6 o'clock in the morning. Still snowing throughout the day, then getting windy, and on the back side of this, very strong winds too. That'll be blowing the snow around and could cause some whiteout conditions. With all that said, here's the breakdown. Snow is likely heavy at times, could mix with rain at times in the southeast sections of our viewing area, and then becoming windy too. Those gusts could be 45 miles an hour, so we could actually have blizzard conditions for a time. 27 degrees in Green Bay, 25 in Sheboygan, 21 right now in Appleton, and 26 in Oshkosh. Not much wind. As a matter of fact, the wind right now is calm in Green Bay. 27 degrees, cloudy skies as you head out. So your forecast for today, mostly cloudy. Afternoon snow showers are possible, 35 degrees. Tonight, 25, mostly cloudy. Tomorrow, cloudy most of the day. Late in the day, chance of snow to the south. Snow will continue on Thursday, heavy at times, 35 degrees. And then gets cold, 24 on Friday. And the winds will still be blowing around on Friday too. So yeah, bitterly cold temperatures and a cold weekend ahead. Christmas Eve is Monday. That's 27 degrees. Right now it looks like Christmas Day will be about 30, and at least we'll have snow on the ground, so it will be a white Christmas.
Sounds nice. Thanks, Pete.